So simply keep press the power button and the volume up. Keep them pressed until you see this slider appearing on the display, and then slide to power off. Wait around 5 seconds and then power back on your iPad by keeping press the power button until you see the Apple logo on the display. Once the iPad boots up, connect again your charger and see if it's actually working. There's a good chance that it was only a software issue and it will be able to charge again. If you're still having the problem, I suggest you use a different charger than the one that you're usually using. So if you're using the one that came in the box with the iPad, take another one. Ask a friend or a family member to borrow their charger that they have tested with their device, so that you are sure that the problem is not the cable or the charger itself. I'll put links in the description, by the way, if you want to get one in case that was the issue. But overall, many times the problem is not the iPad, but these things that breaks a lot more often than the main unit, the iPad itself. If you still didn't find what is causing this issue, because the other charger is still not charging your iPad, you can try cleaning the USB Type-C port of the iPad. Over time, there's gunk, there is debris, hair, dust that enters, and every time you're trying to connect something, unfortunately, it doesn't work because it's blocked by all the dust or whatever that you don't see. So take a flashlight, take a look inside, and then take a toothpick, a small, I don't know, a needle, and try to clean gently inside. Try to remove all that is stuck there. Finally, my last tip is to do a reset of the iPad. Sometimes that's the only thing that can solve the problem. So by going into the settings, general, go down, select transfer or reset iPad, erase all content and settings. It will delete all your apps, everything, but you know, this is quite a huge problem in my opinion, so it's worth doing it. Press continue, you'll have to type the passcode, and the iPad will be like a brand new one, and fortunately after that it will be able to charge. So if one of these tips worked for you, leave a comment down below. If you have other tips, leave them also. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.